to fold and unfold the mats. Would you like to see how I fold the mat? Yes. Okay, how you fold the mat? Look at here. It's my right hand and it's my left hand. Put your fingers on the top of the mat like this. Your fingers on the top of the mat and your thumb over here. Yes. And your fingers over here. Yes. Now you have to take the mat and fold to the opposite side like this. Fold the mat. Excellent. Now we have to fold the mat again like this. No, it's fine. This how you fold the mat again. Put your thumb over here and your fingers on the top of the mat. Now, not like this, Dua. Take it. Take it. Now put your fingers on the top of the mat.